Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode on the range with the Arsenal SLR-107UR. You see we got the Russian triangle on her there. Got the false suppressor there to cover up our pencil barrel. We haven't done a tack stamp on this one yet, but we will. We'll be turning this into a short barrel rifle. As of now, we got the little pencil barrel on there. You guys have already seen the unboxing of this. If you haven't, go check it out. Great rifle. We got the original Russian Frink sling there. Beauty, 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 beauty. I love this rifle. Never fired it though. So do I really love it? We'll see in the rain. And we do have some corrosive ammo. We're going to break that. So got the mags there with a little light. But here we go. First shots, and I promised you guys you would check them out, so here we go. First shots, baby. A lot of money in this one right here. This is a drop in the piggy bank. Here we go. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So nice. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Phew, out here in the rain. What can we say here? Ooh, got a little smoke in my eye. Tell you something, guys. Oh, we left a little mark right there, didn't we? We may have to get a little pad there or man up a little bit. I don't know. Whew, that burns to the armpit. So, we got some hollow points. If we don't shoot hollow points, is it really an AK? I don't know. Let's see here. This is kind of not a Bulgarian military, but it's a Bulgarian mag here. Hollow points. Will it fire them? What you think about it?
Really?
SLR-107UR. What a beauty. Think we'll do one more mag with us out here in the rain, getting wet for you. You guys deserve it. I love you guys. Let's see here. Should we get a bakelite out? No, we don't got a bakelite loaded. No loaded bakelite here. No loaded Arsenal. Both areas mag here. Circle 10. This is some Turo here. I think it's 122 grain. She's getting warm, guys.
Ooh, that hit the umbrella.
Guys, first shot as promised. I got gunpowder in my eye. Got it on the tip of my tongue. my shoulder.
Ooh, let me get that up close.
Ooh,
Let me get that up close.
that's gonna leave a mark. You can get the, I think it's the Yugo. They make a rocket launcher. You can get a pad that they make for that. I think they may make them in Russian too, or Bulgarian. You may have to invest in one of those for this bad boy. Whew. Anyways, I thank you guys for tuning in. Check this out. She's dirty. We'll probably fire a few more shots, but she's turning colors up here too. She's hot. That's beautiful. In the rain. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for tuning in. Hey, Billy, over and out of here, guys. Peace.